This is a box from Unique Commodities, one of my favorite companies, and my pretty little thingy that I made. Pardon the mess in the background. This is where I do my art. Anyway, it says, "Hi, beautiful." And let's see what's inside. See, I'm even working on something right there. Anyway, I'm ruining this table. So, this is the thank you card. And as usual, a little bath bomb. Oh, what's in there? I'll be right back. So, oh, what a cute card. Very complimentary of us. I am fearless. And if I could choose one superpower, what would it be? I have to mull that over because there's all kinds of superpowers that I'd like to have. One is like hyper intelligence. Anyway, so, and then this was the card again. And on the back, thank you. And my skin will thank me because her stuff makes my skin feel really nice. This is one of my favorite scents from her, limoncello. And literally all you need is this thing. You don't, if there's a night that you just want to throw on something real quick, you don't have to put another bath bomb in there. This works as well as the big one. Oh, so empowering to read this stuff. I am magnificent. She's so amazing. All right, so this is the theme of this. I can't remember what she said, but it's sort of like an empowering thing for women. So let's see what's in here. Oh, how cute is it? This is the I love you in sign language. And it's called Radiate Positivity, and it is a bubble bar. Too cute. All right, and oh, I'll have to get back to you. I know what this is, but I'm going to unwrap these things. All right, so this is the Apple Mango Body Wash. It looks a little different than what I'm used to, but it has a nice little cap on there for your squeezing pleasure. But let me show you what the previous version looked like. So this is what it looked like before, and I loved the amazingness. Pardon my granddaughter. She told me she would be quiet during this unboxing, but evidently that's over. Anyway, so this is an apple mango the way it used to look, so shimmery and beautiful. And now it's still beautiful, except it looks more creamy. And it's like marbleized. All right, what's next? Oh, a bar soap. This is, hold on a second, I'm trying to get it to focus in here. Oh, there we go. Cosmic Flare soap. Very pretty. Oh, it smells very masculine. I would give it to my husband, but I'm not gonna. And then this one is the apple mango soap. Yes. This looks like a mixture of the two. So we have this color on the back side, as you can see, and then if I flip it over, it has like a little, looks like it, maybe it's a little orangier, but sort of like that peachy color there. And you can see it right there in the center, the orangey color. Thank you. Next, we have the Love Bath Bomb. Oh, it smells nice. Very nice. This is called Always Be Kind. So again, they're all, what's the word I'm looking for? I'm suffering right now. Encouraging words. I am already worthy. I already saw a demo on this, and I was really not happy because I wanted my bath bomb. And for some reason, the post office decided to take its sweet time delivering it. But it came in today, so it's immediate that I'm doing the unboxing. I am already worthy. Oh, that smells nice. Now, I had a version of this one before. This one's I Am Already Enough. But during that whole entanglement thing, I can smell it. I might use this one tonight. This one. It was called If Entanglement Was a Bath Bomb. So that's over with. No one's really using entanglement anymore, and she repurposed it now. I Am Already Enough. Oh, the scent on this one. If you like masculine scents, I love, and I'm one of those. I just love masculine scents. And then finally, I think that's finally, yes. Finally, this is the Love Me Some Me bath bomb. And I do. Some days more than others. Oh, I like that scent too. All of these smell freaking awesome. All right, so we have the Love Me Some Me. We have I Am Already Worthy. We have Always Be Kind, the Love. We have the Cosmic Flare Soap. I tried to smell it. The Apple Mango. That smells good. Both of those do. I Am Already Enough. This adorable bubble bar. And then the Thank You Bath Bomb and the new reimagined Apple Mango body wash, which I love. And I was actually getting sad because I'm kind of running low, and I've been trying to make it last. As a matter of fact, I bought this a long time ago, but I use it very sparingly. All right, guys, that's it for Unique Commodities. And remember, if you'd like to place an order, use my code InkyMac10. We'll get you 10% off of your order. And remember to be fearless. Talk to you guys on the next one.